Hello lovely people. In today's video, I'm going to be pulling these braids out of my Sisterlocks. It's been a long time, maybe even years, since I've done a braid out. This year I have been experimenting with twist outs and they've been coming out pretty nice, so I'm really excited to compare the two. And while I pull out my braids, I want to talk a little bit about how I do my twist outs and my braid outs. It's super simple, like most of my routines that you'll see on my channel. So let's get into it. If you're new around here, I'm Latoya and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about locks, travel, and intentional living, so if you're into any of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The number one key to a successful twist out or braid out, in my experience, is to make sure that your hair is bone dry before you take your braids or twists out. If it's wet at all, you're probably not going to get the results or look you want. I used to have so many fails because even though I would keep them in overnight or even for a whole day, my hair would not be completely dry. But I changed my approach and it's made all the difference. My braids or twists used to be a means to an end. I used to do them to get a wavy look, the end. So I would wash my hair, let it air dry a bit. I don't use heat on my hair very often. Then I would do my braids or twists. I would let them stay overnight, like I said, and then pull them out in the morning. I didn't spend a lot of time making neat braids or twists since I was just going to be going to sleep. The thing is, my hair just didn't have enough time to dry this way because of the volume. Like, I have a lot of hair and I wasn't getting the point that it just wasn't enough time. Now though, my braids and twists are a hairstyle in themselves. I spend more time doing them smaller and neater, which also helps with drying, and I'm proud to wear them on the street. When I do it this way, I'm not looking to take my hair out the next day, and I wear my twists or braids for up to a week. So when I eventually do take them out, my hair has dried nice and slow, and the curls or waves are set. I literally have to wash my hair to get them out. I've had these braids in for about 4 days, which is kind of short for me, but I was ready to take them out. This has literally changed the game for me, and I don't have twist or braid out fails anymore. Thank God, like I've had enough for a whole lifetime. In terms of products, I don't use mousse or setting products when I'm braiding or twisting my hair. I simply spray my freshly washed hair with my homemade spray as I braid it. It has only natural oils. I'll link to my video showing how I make it. This may not work for all hair types, but for my 4C hair, I don't need anything else to set it. I've never used pipe cleaners or rollers on my locks. They do provide a really nice wave or curl pattern that looks different from the look you achieve with twisting or braiding. I don't know why I've never tried. It might be because I have so much hair and I'm afraid of how much work it will take to do my whole head with rollers or pipe cleaners. Or it could just be that I have some unresolved trauma around sleeping with rollers from my childhood too. I gotta take that to my next therapy session. I'm definitely open to trying pipe cleaners or rollers though, so if you have some experience or like a preference for these, let me know in the comments any tips that I can use if I'm gonna give it a try. When I started my locks in 2014, these twists or braid outs used to be a way to give my hair shape, especially when I had my relaxed ends that were like stringy and I did not like how they looked. Now, as my hair has gotten much longer, braiding or twisting my hair is a way to give my neck and back a break, especially in the summer when it's so hot. it's nice to have the hair off of my skin. It's so freeing to have a shorter ponytail like how I started this video. So those are the main reasons I do it now, and of course I just love the look of it. So we are all pulled out. This definition is crazy. I love it. I love it. It's definitely a different look from the twist. More definition. These waves are just gorgeous, small and gorgeous. So, oh my gosh. I'm just separating. I find that the braids are much easier to separate than the twists. The twists really stay clumped up sometimes, but I haven't even done a whole lot of separating and it feels quite loose already, so I like that. And the definition, I can't get over that. It's crazy. Okay, so if you can't tell, I absolutely love how this turned out. I think I'll give myself a little side part here. So I always just go through and play with it and just make sure they're all loosened up. And I don't do too much of this on the first day. I kind of let it stay together as much as possible. Like I don't want it to look clumped up when I'm outside. So I do separate it, but try not to do too much on the first day because as you know, as the days go by with the braid out or the twist out, it becomes looser and it changes. So I don't want to do too much with it right now, but I love the results. I just put a little bit of coconut oil on my hands. I already did it on my scalp, but just on the ends. Okay, so here is the final result. What do you think? Just give you a little close up. It's super close. But the definition is crazy. Okay, I'm not gonna make a judgment on which I prefer just yet, the braid out or the twist out. I need a day or so to really decide, but I will post and let you guys know in the community tab on my channel. I'll let you know tomorrow or Friday how it's turning out. But let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Sisterlocks videos. I am trying to make weekly videos, so let me know that you're interested. Subscribe. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.